Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vertical jump in Grand Theft Auto 5. This powerful ability gives your vehicle a sudden, upward thrust, perfect for overcoming environmental challenges. Imagine needing to clear a wall or reach a rooftop. The vertical jump is your key. It's not just for exploration, though. It can also be a game changer in high-speed chases, helping you escape sticky situations by taking unexpected routes. Mastering this skill will open up new possibilities across the game's expansive map. Activating the vertical jump is straightforward once you know the controls. For PlayStation users, simply press down on both the left and right analog sticks at the same time. Xbox players will do the same with their respective stick buttons. It's important to note that this ability is usually tied to specific vehicles, often those with special modifications. For the best results, try to initiate the jump when your vehicle is either completely still or moving at a very low speed, allowing for maximum vertical lift. The strategic applications of the vertical jump are incredibly diverse. Think about those moments when a simple wall blocks your path, or you need to reach a higher vantage point for a tactical advantage. This jump lets you effortlessly clear obstacles that would otherwise require a lengthy detour. You can even combine it with a forward boost to achieve impressive airtime, bridging gaps, or landing on elevated structures. Experiment with different scenarios to discover creative ways to integrate this powerful move into your gameplay. To truly master the vertical jump, it's helpful to avoid some common pitfalls. One frequent error is trying to activate the jump while traveling at high speeds. This often leads to a less controlled descent and a potentially damaging landing. Remember, there's a short cooldown period after each use, so you can't spam it repeatedly. Always plan your landing carefully to prevent your vehicle from taking unnecessary damage or getting stuck in an inconvenient spot. With a little practice, you'll be soaring over Los Santos like a pro.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.